In this video, we will explain the final report of PFT Lab and TechMe Lab Integration Practicum. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Fikri Nugra Ramadan. First, I will explain about the business planning of our company. The name of company is CVFRE 45, and the company is a manufacturing company focused on the education, laboratory, and health sector. Our company vision is to make a company that is able to meet the needs of dental care learning tools and teaching aids. And our mission is first, to develop product with the unique innovation, and second, to ensure the quality of this product, or segmenting, targeting, and positioning, and marketing mix analyze. In segmenting, we divide into 4 factors: geographical, demographic, physiographic, and behavior. First, geographical. Our company will sell in the academic environment. Second, demographic. Demographic are the acts of various user and user of product from the health and education work environment. Third, psychographic. Psychographic is that our company will sell to instructor, dental health expert, and student because this product is teaching aid. Fourth, behavior. Behavior is the company directly sell this product to teacher and expert who provide education about the importance of maintaining and caring for oral health. On targeting, the target market of the company is the scope of elementary school student, dental health expert, and other health worker. In positioning, the company has the tagline, membantu gigi dan mulut menjadi lebih sehat. With the tagline, the product can be positioned in consumer, especially in education and health. The element in marketing mix are 4P, or product, place, price, and promotion. The product made by the company in marketing mix are 4P, or product, place, price, and promotion. The product made by company are teaching aids and health teaching aids, where teaching aids can provide information and knowledge about oral and dental health and hygiene. The price of product sold is 300,000 per product. The company is located in Lengkong, Bojongsoang, Bandung, with promotion carried out by offering product directly to consumer, and as well as making advertisement on website service. Is marketing strategy and plan. The company uses 2 methods of promotion, through the website and sharing brochure. The company will spend 800. Next is marketing strategy and plan. The company used 2 methods of promotion, through the website and sharing brochure. The company will spend 960,000 to rent hosting to create a website for 1 year. The website will later show and display example of product and the company portfolio to facilitate consumer in getting to know the product. The second promotional media is sharing company brochure. Will spend 3,800,000 rupiah for brochure printing of 10,000 brochure, which will distribute as many as 1 year. With the distribution per day, the marketing must be able to distribute it as 27 brochure per day to potential customer. And all cost incurred by the company for promotional media is 4,800,000 rupiah a year. The company assumes promotional cost will rise 2% every year. Is the production plan. After the forecasting the demand, the estimate that is 6,266. Sales target based on the field on survey increase of 0.10% of sales each year. In 2021, the number of buyers was 6,266. Then in year 2022, it became 6,272. In 2023, it becomes 6,278. And until 2026, the number of buyers will be 6,297. 2026, with an allowance of 1% with an increasing of production volume plan of 1%. In 2021, the number of buyer was 6,378, and in 2022, it became 6,335. Then 2023, it became 6,341. And in 2021, it became 6,000.
Next, about financial projection for production and operational costs. From the calculation of the production and operational costs, company FRE 45 during the years 2000 2021. The total costs incurred are approximately 2,600,000,000 rupiah, and for each year they increased by 8% until 2025. Feasibility analysis. Net present value or NPV with an interest rate of 9.75%. An NPV of approximately 240 million rupiah is obtained. Based on the MPP calculation, the payback period is done with the first year is more than 4 years and 2 months. So the company is worth of running its business. Interest rate of return from the IRR table using factor of 40% and the calculation of IRR more than MRR. The IRR result obtained are 16.21%. The company deserves to run its business. Benefit cost ratio. Benefit cost ratio of 1.17 is obtained, greater than 1. The company is eligible to run its business. Raw material sensitivity. In the first calculation, when a material price increase of 10%, the NPV value of 93 million rupiah, while with a material price increase of 16%, a total NPV of 33 million rupiah. Selling price sensitivity. The interpolation result increase percentage of between 1% and 2% to produce a value of 1.66%. So the selling price of the produce is sensitivity to a decrease of 1.66%. Next, to facility design. Distance between supplier and candidate location. Distance from Adi Lestari Pundarika supplier to location A 20.4 kilometers, location B 15.3 kilometers, location C 21.5 kilometers. Distance from Intra Polymer supplier to location A 9.1 kilometer, location B 11.1 kilometer, location C 21.6 kilometer. Distance from Alpha Polymer Indonesia 0.7 kilometers, location B 19.1 kilometer, location C 18.9 kilometer. Next, factor rating. Based on table above value, the OMK important level is 0.2 and cost 0.14. Availability land is 0.05. Supplier Pundarika Adi Lestari is 0.07. Supplier Intra Lestari Polymer of 0.07. Supplier Polymer Alpha Polymer Indonesia of 0.07. From the table routing sheet, which show in detail the operation needed for a part in a production. This also makes it possible to set the time for each operation and each machine. Based on the table above, the amount of actual machine is 0 because it is assumed to be a new factory. Then in the final calculation, the number of machine or equipment needed to perform the operation is 10. Okay, next.
Okay, next is determination of MHE. Our MI is storage with MI to the equipment dimension is with the length is 33 millimeter with 300 millimeter and the hex 160 millimeter. After this, we make some calculation for the stacking, and this is the stacking is the how to arrange the some material, some product to good position with the best with depends on the height or the warehouse capability than other factor. After the stacking, we have the unit load. We have 39 and 1 unit load, and we made some calculation for every unit load, and we have the best unit load is unit load 29 with 1072 minutes. After that, we make the data maximum unit load, and every facility, the frequency for material handling is only just one. And the conclusion is the every facility use the best choice, and the best unit load is 29 with the total time production time is 1072 minutes. After that, we calculate for the area factory area when we have 261 meter hectare, and this is the initial layout, and we calculate the office too, and this the total area is 60 meter hectare, and we make the cost for material handling cost, and from every movement for every material handling cost is the total is 2050 519 rupiahs, and this is the FTC from the chart. And next is the calculation for we made some IRC with 15 facilities, and this is the normalization, and we calculate the UFD, and we got 20,862 rupiahs. Next is, and this is the production arcade facilities. We have seven other facilities like office, toilet, malls, employee parking, smoking area, security post, and production floor. And this is the initial layout for the other facility plus IAD. And this is the layout for office. We make some normalization, and this is the initial layout for the office. After that, we have the data for UFD, coordinate, and location that we input this data to our software WinQSB to get the best final layout. And the best final layout is the iteration for 3 then 2 department with the little cost is the 2031 144 rupiahs, and this is the final layout. And the final layout we design this final layout with the SketchUp, and this is the video.